Fun drive through the first storm of 2016, going down Route 1, coming out of Boston from visiting Jenna. Absolute mess. This is going to take a total of, what are we looking at? About an hour and 45 minutes to go from Boston back to Rentham. Fun stuff. It was, oh yeah, and it was just 55 degrees yesterday, which was that February 4th. Fun driving down Route 1 in Plainville. Visibility about 100 feet, I'd say. Glad it's a green light because there was little to no way I was stopping here. Alright. That is all. Signing off.